Namaskar. Very good evening to all of you. I'm welcoming you all for the self-healing meditation session organized by Dhara COVID Care Team under the guidance of our beloved Ankit sir. So in this session, today we are going to see Swara Yoga meditation. So before going to perform the session, just we can have the understanding of what is Swara Yoga. What is Swara Yoga? When you see the music, there are 7 swaras are there. Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Dha, Ni, Sa. So in this swara only, they are making in different notes to make different ragas. When you see that, certain ragas are performed for joy, certain ragas for symbolizing the sorrow, certain raga for enthusiasm, happiness, like that, different ragas for different feelings. Whenever certain ragas are performed, when you hear that particular raga, that energy will be invoked within us. Because we are bind one with this raga. When we go for DJ party, then your Muladhara chakra will be activated. You will dance. And when you go for some divine performance of that type, different kinds of dance will be there. Will be there means the energy will be produced. Okay. Today, in yoga also it is there. In yoga, when you see that, I don't want to go for so deep in that. All creations are originated from Pranava mantra, Omkar. It represents all 4 states of human consciousness. So what are the 4 states? When you are awake, we are experiencing. During sleep, that time also certain experience. During dream, in the sleep, sometimes a dream we will be getting. That time some experience. And sometimes you feel very next day, Arey yaar, yesterday I slept very nicely, a sound sleep. That means you don't know what has happened. The full night you slept in the nothingness, emptiness. You're not aware of what has happened there during that time. That is called Turiya state. When the rishis and munis are chanting that mantras, Omkar, they reach the state, they be aware of what is going on, what is the experience of the Turiya also. Why Omkar is selected? Why not other sound? Because whenever making any sound, the sound waves are passing through and each is having energies and frequency. Certain frequency will be very suitable for to hear, certain thing what is of so much noise, certain frequency we don't like. But when the frequency it is around 712 or 747 hertz, it is by chanting the Omkar, that frequency is synchronizing with all the frequencies of sound energy within the universe. It forms a harmonious environment. Today we need the harmonious universal energy in order to eradicate this pandemic crisis. So today we will be chanting Omkar. Apart from that, when we go deep into Swara Yoga, when we are breathing, certain swaras are produced within the body. Okay, so there is a different kind of philosophy. I don't want to go so deep, so we will forget to do the practical. If anybody interested for, we will do that. Okay, with this introduction, today we are going to do the Swara Yoga by doing some warm-up exercises, yogic exercises, plus Sukshma Vyayam, that is not asanas. Then pranayama, then guided meditation, then we are going to listen the music. So here one more time, one thing I want to inform you here. So when you see the picture of Krishna with the flute is empty, but it is playing by with the help of when we are blowing your air, that is exhaling, when you're blowing the air in the flute with the different notes, there are different holes are there, different notes are prepared. So it will be very melodious to hear. So it was believed that when the Krishna is played the flute, all human beings are gathered to listen. That much mesmerizing music he was playing. Not only that, animals, trees, universe, all the nature also be so attracted. So when you see that in the flute, it is empty. So symbolically, it is given when you are regulating the breath such a way, focusing your attention on the breath, and when you listen to the swara of your own breath, then you will reach to Turiya state, that is the emptiness, nothingness. That means what is emptiness and nothingness? Then you are not disturbed by any kinds of thoughts. Just pure awareness. It is your own self. You feel your own vibrant energy. Okay, today we are going to explore that. I'm requesting all of you kindly join your hands with full of devotion and good intention to invoke the divine energy within us and spread that energy to the universe to heal this pandemic. Om Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. We invoke all our gurus and divine energy. Center yourself with this divine energy, lead us the spiritual path. Now, please get up from your place. So keep your hands in Namaskar Mudra. You have to breathe in deeply and breathe out deeply. So when you are breathing in and breathing out, now see the abdominal movement also. 3 breathing we will take. Breathing in, abdomen raising, and breathing out, abdomen sucking in. Okay. Now do the neck movement. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in. Keep your hands like this. We are going to do rotation. You should touch the two elbows, then rotate. Breathing normal. Then keep your hands like this. Then we are twisting sideways. Now stretch your leg up like that. It's very good for pumping of blood, your lungs. Good for heart. Opposite. You should not bend the knees. Now you stand on one leg and raise another leg like this. Like this. Okay? And looking in one point. One leg. Keep your hands like this and see like that. Okay? Raise, take, raise other. I hope you will see that. Okay? Other leg. Now come down. Now we'll do, as usual, we'll do Mukhatoti. Okay? Because we have to, in these sessions, all these sessions, we are concentrating more on absorption of oxygen, expansion of the chest, and pumping of blood and purification of the blood properly, as well as keeping our mind calm and quiet to remove the stress. So we are doing the mudras and meditation. So Mukhatoti is very much essential. Even the affected patients also can be done. Old people also can be done. And healthy people also be. Breathe in. Blow out. Breathe in. And energizing. Breathe out. I am de-stressing. Continue for 5 more counts. Deeply. As if you are romancing with the breath. Now we'll do Nadi Shuddhi Pranayam for 3 minutes. Okay? I know all of you know, I feel so. Because today is I think it is a 14th day or something we are doing. 13th or 14th day. Breathe in through your leg and hold and breathe out to your right. Continue. Breathe in to right and hold both the nostrils for Baddha and breathe out to your left. So continue the process and complete the process by breathing out through the left nostril. Now release. Now we will do Bhramri Pranayam along with Shanmukhi Mudra. Hope you people know Shanmukhi Mudra. We have many times done. It is Pratyahara, controlling our sense organs to prevent it to go away from the negative process. So we have to drag towards us. So this Shanmukhi Mudra will be very much helpful to self-control. So plug in the thumb here, keep index finger above the eyelid, middle finger on the nose, ring finger above the upper lid and little finger below the lower lid, and we are breathing in, and when you are breathing out we are making the sound makar ka sound elongated to absorb more oxygen and to cool down our brain also. Okay, we are going to do Bhramari 5 times. Breathe in. Last round. Eyes closed. Feel that vibration in your brain. Feel that the divine energy in your brain. Now, today we will be going to do another mudra, Hadi Mudra. The thumb should keep here, then like this, and keep this one, this like this. Okay. With this, we will be chanting Omkar. After chanting Omkar, we will chant for 25 times. Then the music will be played. Okay. Hope everyone understand. Okay. Eyes closed. Deep breathing and breathing out. You have to chant Om. Because it is proven, scientifically it is proven, the people who are keep your Hadi Mudra with this and listen. It is scientifically proven the people or patients who are allowed to chant Omkar for many times, then they have done the scanning of the brain and they feel, for normal person, they feel the alpha waves. They reach the state of alpha waves. That means a calm, serene, quiet. It is an equilibrium, not perturbed by any kinds of the external and by anything. It is calm, whatever the situation may be. So now we have to keep our mind such a way that we can, instead of diluting our energy for the reaction, we can aggregate the energy for the purpose of action, which will be beneficial for us and also beneficial for everyone. Okay, so that is the reason today we have selected this. There are so other many processes are there in Swara Yoga. We have touched upon only the preliminary process. And in Japan, one scientist, as his name is Emoto, he had done some scientific research by chanting the Om. So he keep the bottle of water and chanted Om, and he see how the water crystals are arranged very beautifully. Normally I used to do the presentation. Now this session I'm not presenting. And you see when in the water bottle only, that is the bottle which containing water, he yelled at some negative words and see the arrangement of the particle. From that he showed that what kind of thought process we are having. Depends upon that our body also produce energy, good energy with us. So when you see the word anger is one letter kamme, danger say. So the people who are getting angry, the person who got the angry wanted to show the angry, but he himself is selfly, he is affecting. So all the negative process, negative thinking will affect the person than the others. Okay, we have to always keep our mind in equipoise for that. This type of meditation will helpful. So with this, I'm asking you, everyone please kindly chant the Omkar. I hope you everybody kept the Hadi Mudra deeply, full of devotion. Please chant the mantra with good intention. I'm promising you everybody get the benefit. Deep breathing. When breathing out, we will chant Omkar in different way. First then U and Mo. It is a blend of that way. This blend of Mo. You have to chant from the Nabhi chakra. That is where it is Nabhi chakra situated is belly button. Okay, 25 times. Breathing. Breathe out and chant. Be in the silence. Music will be playing now. Experience the state of Turiya. Just feel the vibration. Feel the vibration within yourself. Eyes closed. Music will be played in a while. Just experience the silence within you. Just be in the presence of divine energy. Feel the silence. Feel the touch of your own self. The pure energy, awareness energy. Just scan your body. Just aware of yourself. Just keep your hands in Namaskar Mudra. We end this session with a prayer for wellness of everyone. Om Purnamidham Purnamidha Purnaha Purnamudashyate Purnasya Purnamadhaye Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub your hands, cup your eyes, spread the divine energy in your sense organ, let it direct always to positivity. Open your eyes and say, God bless me and God bless everyone. Hope you people enjoyed the session. Anyone want to ask anything? Welcome. You want to say something about feedback on any requirement or anything, refinement of anything? Your feedback is always valuable.
Nothing, ma'am. Just today's session was also very, very divine. We felt very good.
Unable to hear.
Today's session was also very, very divine. Ma'am, we felt very, very relaxed and very good. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. God bless you. Welcoming you to attend more session to get more benefit.
Are we having another session tomorrow also, ma'am, or we'll have it on Monday only?
Yeah, every day session. Every day the 7 o'clock classes are there. Meditation session is there.
Tomorrow being Sunday, I thought probably okay. So we are having it tomorrow also.
Tomorrow?
No, tomorrow also we are having. Just
yeah, sure. We are having tomorrow also.
Okay. Right.
Yeah. God bless you all. Thank you so much. Meeting you all tomorrow evening.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sure.
Pranav will end the session, dear.